Thank you. Thank you, Split. Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm
I'm
also
good.
good. Oh,
Your accent is very heavy.
my accent, it's hard to understand you, maybe, right?
I understand it. It's very heavy.
Actually, I'm here just for practice English with strangers. My English is too bad.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
thank you. You are really a good person. I mean, good girl. I appreciate you.
A good a person is a
Yeah, yeah, person,
person.
person. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
No, not the
Fa, person,
with a p with a
P. Yeah,
push
person, person,
push
person.
put
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
put
Okay,
not
nice, nice.
not the f it's a p.
Yeah, P. Person.
No, not v
Person.
puh.
Pa.
No, not b
Not
not
P.
buh.
Pa.
It's puh. Don't use your bottom lip.
Oh,
Don't
okay, 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 okay.
don't buh.
Okay.
It's
Please.
puh.
Pa. Okay, please repeat again. I am learning.
Not buh. It's puh
Person.
with a p.
Use
No, not buh.
yeah, American in American accent is person, right?
Yeah,
Person, not person.
person.
Okay, okay. Thank you for help me to learn English. Please teach me on more words. How to pronounce in American accent woman.
Omen?
Yeah, woman. Woman or women.
Like omen, like your omen?
Yeah, yeah.
Omen.
Oh man. Okay. Oh man. Okay, okay, okay. Thank you. How to pronounce in American accent I love you.
You did. That's how you say it. Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh and you?
We're from where?
Bangladesh. I'm from Bangladesh. And you?
Alabama.
Alabama. Wow. You mean United States?
Mhm. Yes.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Your name is silent.
Yeah.
You are silent.
Yes.
Your name is silent, but you are talking always.
Yeah. My name in actual life.
Yeah. Your conversation will help me to improve my English. So you can start any topic.
Nope. Because my grandmother had a dog named Phoebe.
Phoebe. Your dog name is Phoebe. Why are you talking about dog? Do you wanna show?
A dog?
Yeah. Do you wanna show your dog?
Oh no, I don't have a dog.
Okay. You don't have dog?
No.
Okay. You love cat?
No.
You mean you don't love any animal?
My dog I had for 13 years. He died.
Oh.
And then I have a cat, and he passed away last year.
Oh, so sad, so sad.
So, yeah. I know.
You should buy another one. I mean, dog or cat.
No.
What? I have a good idea. You should feed a cow. Cow. Hamba.
No.
Why?
Cows are expensive.
Yeah, but cow will provide us milk.
I mean, cows can produce meat. They can produce milk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You like milk?
Yeah.
Cow milk?
I'm a carnivore.
Okay. You drink milk every day?
No.
How many times do you drink milk in a week?
Milk?
Yeah.
How many times?
Yeah. In a week.
Zero.
Zero.
None.
Zero. But why? You should drink.
Nope. I don't know.
Okay. Hey, silent. What is that under your nose?
It's a septum ring.
Oh, it's made by gold or?
No, it's I think it's sterling silver.
Thank you, silent.
Okay, love you. Bye.
Okay.